Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, I'll walk you through how to write a Visa Overstay Explanation Letter. This formal letter explains the reasons behind your overstay, demonstrating your sincerity, responsibility, and willingness to comply with immigration regulations. You will begin your letter by providing your personal details, including your name, address, email, phone number, and the date. Next, you will address the letter to the appropriate immigration office or embassy, including their name and address. Finally, you will include a clear subject line stating the purpose of your letter, an explanation for your visa overstay. After that, write, "I sincerely apologize for exceeding my visa stay in, country name, from overstay start date to overstay end date. The overstay was unintentional and occurred due to," briefly explain the reason, e.g., medical emergency, travel restrictions, unforeseen circumstances. I understand the importance of adhering to immigration laws and deeply regret any inconvenience caused. I assure you that this was an exceptional situation and I have taken necessary steps to prevent such occurrences in the future. I kindly request your consideration of my explanation and any assistance you can provide in resolving this matter. I am willing to comply with any requirements needed to rectify my status. Please let me know if further information is required. Sincerely, your name. Here's our sample Visa Overstay Explanation Letter. You'll notice how it clearly outlines your reasons for the overstay, expresses sincerity and responsibility, and reassures the immigration authorities of your compliance moving forward. By following this format step by step, you can craft a clear and respectful explanation letter that effectively communicates your situation. This letter helps the authorities understand your circumstances and consider your request more favorably. And with that, I end this video. If you found it helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on writing formal letters.